So the condo we're going to be looking at is a oceanfront condominium in Costa Blanca, which is north of the town square. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,300 square feet of living space. It's a great condo. So here we are seeing the street side of Costa Blanca condominiums. This may look familiar to some of you. We have a map on the listing page, but this is just south of the marine biology lab. Let's head inside this condo and take a look. I think you're going to be surprised. Obviously, the first thing you see, it dominates this home, is its view. You've got this spectacular direct ocean view from not only your living space, but also you can see kind of a sneak preview on your left. That's your master bedroom, right? The view is phenomenal. So let's head out to that part first, since it's the best part, right? You're going to be looking over the infinity edge pool of the condominium complex. And this is a beautiful, really quiet stretch of beach. You can see your view here to the south and to the north. It's just great. This balcony is a great feature of this condo. You not only have access to it from your main living space, but also from your master bedroom. That second slider is a master bedroom slider. Heading back inside, this condo lives large. It's light, it's bright, it's got really tall ceilings. This condo is very spacious feeling, and it's awesome for winter living. It's not a typical vacation condo size. The layout, you're going to have your master bedroom on the right, oceanfront, and then your guest bedroom is directly adjacent to your main bath, which is very convenient for guests to have a bath just outside their door. The kitchen has granite counters and updated appliances. You've got an easy to clean glass top stove top. Just off your kitchen, excellent storage, full-size laundry, which is great for a condo, right? Heading over to the master bedroom and bath. It's a full suite. You've got this spectacular view from your bedroom, king-size bed, very unique feature. Tons of storage in this condo. The closets are designed so that they get air, so your things stay fresh, and they're huge. Again, king size bed, lots of room, and direct access to the balcony. I want to point out this feature. These transom windows above are awesome. If you've ever been directly on the beach, some days it can be pretty windy. That allows you to close your main slider so that things aren't flying around and leave those transom windows open. Really keeps cross ventilation going, really keeps this condo nice and fresh. And owners, when they're away, can actually close those hurricane shutters and leave those propped open a bit for extra ventilation so your place stays nice and ventilated while you're away. Master bath, fully fitted with marble. And then heading over to your guest bedroom, both beds, again, king size beds, so spacious bedrooms, more storage. This is great. You can lock off closets for yourselves and leave some for rental guests if you plan on using it as a vacation rental unit. Master bath, again, fully fitted with marble. There's another look at that transom window in the living area as well. Super functional, great feature. I just love those. And again, why not take one more look at that view, right? Well, you can hear we're beachside. This is the beach side of Costa Blanca. Great unit. I'm zooming in on it now. Second floor. You don't have to climb flights of stairs, but you've got the privacy of a second floor unit. Beautiful infinity edge pool. And I'm just going to let you listen to the beach. We hope you've really liked this unit. We are certainly happy to schedule a live showing if you would like to see this beautiful unit at Costa Blanca. See you in Puerto Morelos soon.